going off here. You already saw the package. Okay, let's put the gun in his hand if we can. Let's try it. Let's see if this works. This hand. Okay, got his gun in. I'll make a review if I find his hand, his knife. So that we got wrist articulation. This one's loose. This one's not. Head up and down, side to right, all the way around. Waist movement, knee movement, waist movement. Same thing. Crunch,